The market theme Nifty 50 appears to be an unsinkable ship despite two major headwinds. 1. The Iran conflict remains stuck in a stalemate, with the Strait of Hormuz still disrupted, keeping crude-related worries alive. 2. In yesterday's volatile session, FIIs turned net sellers, offloading equities worth 2,458 crore rupees, adding pressure from the institutional side. Digging deeper, bulls at Dalal Street are seen balancing two key risks at once. 1. Sticky inflation, which may delay expectations of monetary easing. 2. Geopolitical tensions, which could further disrupt global energy supplies and keep volatility elevated. Technically, confirmation of major strength only above Nifty 24,100 mark. Having said that, only trouble and misery could lie ahead if Nifty slips below 23,100. Market trends. The global cues are negative. In yesterday's volatile session, FIIs sold to the tune of Rs 2458 crores while DIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 3802 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bearish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals are suggesting some massive consolidation play. FNOMA month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 18.68 levels. At last check, USD INR, May, was trading firm near 96.64 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th May, is at 1.03 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.76. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.52. Mid-cap Nifty is at 1.22. Nifty outlook Nifty could drop sharply lower, and also there is strong possibility that the psychological 24,000 mark may be a major hurdle to crack. The technical structure has shifted to cautious. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 23,618. Biggest make-or-break support for Nifty is now placed at 23,262 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,100 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,450 and 23,800. Bias for the day is negative. Sensex, CMP 75,201. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 74,100 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 76,000 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 74,000 to 76,000. Bias for the day is negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 53.409. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 52,876 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 54,500 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 52,900 and 53,900. Bias for the day is negative. Stock market news. This Wednesday morning, there is bad news for equity investors. US bonds extend sell-off. The US 30-year yield rose to 5.2%, its highest level since before the 2007 financial crisis, while the 10-year yield climbed to a 16-month high of 4.68% as investors are becoming increasingly more concerned about a surge in energy prices driven by the war in the Middle East. Long story short, Nifty could hover in the red. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Eicher Motors, minus 0.12, 6,905 rupees. Royal Enfield, the global leader in the midsize 250 cubic centimeters to 750 cubic centimeters segment, is set to secure land parcel for new greenfield manufacturing facility in Tada, Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. 2. BSE, plus 2.55%, 4,225.8. According to reports, BSE Ltd could be headed for inclusion in NSE's flagship Nifty 50 index at the September 2026 rebalancing. 3. Adani Enterprises, plus 1.31%, 2,725. Shares of Adani Group companies were in focus on Tuesday after the US Department of Justice permanently dropped all criminal charges against Indian tycoon Gautam Adani and his nephew Sagar Adani. The move effectively brings the high-profile securities and wire fraud case in New York to a close, with prosecutors reportedly concluding that the allegations could not be sustained.